Hello, everyone. You are welcome to my online mathematics class. Still on AP, we have a particular problem. We are given the fourth term of an AP is 37, and the sixth term is 12 more than the fourth term. Find the first and the seventh term. This is like a word problem in AP. We need to interpret the question mathematically. So let's start. We have solution. The fourth term, that means we're going to have U4 is equal. The fourth term of an AP is 37. So we have U4 is 37. And the sixth term, as in U6, is equal to 12 more than the fourth term. That means we are going to have U4 plus 12. That is where the more than come from. More than we had 12 to our U4. We are going to use, they now said, find the first term. We are looking for a question mark. And the seventh term, we are looking for U7. Of course, for us to solve this question, we are going to use the nth term formula. We are going to use the nth term formula of an AP, which is UN is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. N minus 1D. So we are going to use this now. Our U4 now will now be U4 will be N is equal to 4. That means we are going to have A plus 4 minus 1 D, which is equal to 37. This implies that I'm going to have A plus 3D is equal to 37 for my U4. I can as well call this one my equation 1. Let's look at the second term. We have our U6 is equal to U4 plus U6 normally should have been A plus 6 minus 1. You see that formula? We have 5D. But here they say U4. Our U4 is 37. So we are going to add 37 to 12. So we have 37 plus 12. So therefore we have our A plus 5D to be equal to 49. We can call this one equation 2. We can now combine the two equations together and solve simultaneously. If we should do that, we are going to have A plus 3D is equal to 37. We also have A plus 5D is equal to 49. Equation 1. Equation 2. We are even lucky that the coefficient of A in both equation 1 and 2 are the same. So automatically we are going to subtract. If we subtract, we have something like this. A minus A. Why this one will be 3 minus 5? We have minus 2D is equal to 37 minus 49 will give us minus 12. The minus is on both sides, so the minus will cancel. So you can now divide both sides by 2. 2, we cancel 2. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 6. This implies our D is equal to 6. So we can now substitute the value of D into any of the equation, 1 or 2. So if we should do that, we are going to have substitute D is equal to 6 into equation 1. Let's use equation 1. That means anywhere we come across D, we are going to represent it with 6. So we are going to have A plus 3 into 6 now will now be equal to 37. So A now plus 3 times 6 is 18. We have 18 is equal to 37. So A now will now be 37 minus 18. 37 minus 18, our A now will now be equal to 7 minus 8. 7 minus 8 will give us, we have 37, 18. 17 minus 8 will give us 9. Why 2 minus 1 we give us 1. So we have 19 to be the value of our A. And the second, we are through with we are done with the first question. Find the first term and the seventh term. So we now need to find the seventh term. Using the UN formula, our U7 will be equal to A plus 7 minus 1 D. As in using this formula, the N will be 7. That means we are going to have U7 now will now be equal to A plus 6D. And that will give us A, which we have gotten before is 19, plus 6 into 6. That will now give us 19 plus 36. So our U7 now will now be 9 plus 6 will give us 5. Meaning that 1, 15. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 1, 55. So our U7 is 55. This is mathematics made easy by Akeem Ola Online Mathematics. Take good care of yourself. We'll see you next time.